What once looked like something from a movie is now a routine in our new reality. In China, armies of disinfection teams have been deployed to ramp up counter-COVID measures at the start of the Lunar New Year period. The next 40 days usually sees the world's largest mass movement of people. This is what it looked like last year. Millions were on the move as the pandemic took hold. Today, Beijing's central train station was almost empty, the government having enforced strict controls on travel.
是倡导大家就地过年，非必要不出行。希望大家呢也不要前往中高风险的地区。
Every day, restrictions around the capital have been getting tighter. It's in response to an outbreak of less than 500 cases in the neighbouring province. That has prompted repeat mass testing and the rapid construction of quarantine centres. Reminiscent of the emergency hospitals in Wuhan, they are where close contacts are required to isolate. No effort or extreme is being spared to prevent COVID-19 taking hold here again.
The latest regulation imposed today requires anyone arriving in Beijing to have had a test within the last 7 days. And if they intend to stay in the city, they must then get tested every week for the next 2 weeks. All of that is monitored through the health codes on our phones, which will likely become a permanent feature of living and working in China.
There are currently more than 60 million people living in some form of lockdown, with the virus having re-emerged in several rural areas and from imported infections. It is into this tense environment that the World Health Organization team emerged from their hotel quarantine to finally begin their on-site investigation in Wuhan. What they see and where they go will determine how close we get to finding out the origin of COVID-19. That's a question which doesn't preoccupy those we spoke to in Beijing today, who believe China has done a good job. But this was where the fear was first felt and where some people still take every precaution they can. Debbie Edward, News at 10, Beijing.